Hi friends, it's Miss Janet from the Stova Library coming to you on this lovely spring day, wanting to do a STEM activity with you. So I thought what we would make today, or try to make, is a form of a catapult. I don't know if you know what a catapult is, but a catapult is something that you would use and you could launch something. So here I've made one out of Lego, and that's what our challenge is today, to make one out of Lego. Something that you could launch something from and send it flying through the air. So I went to my cupboard and I found some Lego. So that's what you can do. You can just find your Lego. I'm sure it's not hard to find. You're not going to need a lot of Lego, just some pieces that you can put something together to create a catapult. So I've used some wheels, and I've just used a few pieces to make this catapult. So you can just choose whatever Lego you have. You might want to make something that's very complicated. Mine is very simple. And then you need to decide where you're going to put your fulcrum. And I don't know if you know what that word is. So we've learned that a catapult is something that you use to launch something, a projectile. So something that you're going to launch, and I'll just show you. So I can use my catapult. I put a little pom-pom in there, and I can send it flying depending on where you place your fulcrum. And that's the point where you decide, the fulcrum is here, where you're going to support it, where you can make your device pivot, move. So you could put your fulcrum up further, or you could put it back farther. You can just experiment to see where you can place it to make your items launch easier and perhaps go farther. So I thought perfect things that you could use from around your house that you might have that you could launch. You could use a pom-pom like Miss Janet has used. I have a couple of pom-poms, so I can send those both flying. And depending on where I place my fulcrum will depend what kind of a pivot, so how far that I can send these. And it's good to use something soft that you're launching. Don't use something hard because you don't want to break something. Another thing I found around the house was just a styrofoam ball. I thought that would be something that I could easily launch, and if it hits something, it's not going to damage it. So I can send that. Woo! It went flying. Or you might have a ping pong table at your house, and you might have some ping pong balls. So ping pong balls are also another good thing that you could use and launch from your catapult. So it's very simple what I've done. I've just taken a square and I've made a border around it, so the item that I'm going to launch can't go falling off of it, so it would stop it from going off the sides or off the back. And then I just used a straight flat piece like this, and I've attached it on the underside. And again, you're going to decide where you're going to place that. And then I found some wheels, and those are my fulcrum. And I just put it together, so you're going to play around with it, see where you think you should put it together to give you the best launch, the best catapult, to send it flying the farthest or the highest. Maybe you can have a little competition with someone and see who can send the things the furthest or the highest, and just have fun. So I hope that today you will challenge yourself to make a catapult, maybe out of Lego. That's what I used. You could use other things, but that was just something I have around the house, and I had fun making that. It's just very simple, but it's fun then to see how far you can make something fly through the air. And just have fun with that. I'll do one more towards our camera. Yay! Have a great day. Good day. Have fun making a catapult, and I'll see you back soon with another STEM idea. So long for now.